walking fast, faces fast, and I'm homebound. Staring blankly ahead, just making my way through the crowd. And I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight.
Once upon a time, a few mistakes ago, I was in your sights. You got me alone. You found me. You found me. You found me. But when it comes to you, I'm never good enough. I guess you didn't care, and I guess I liked that. I heard you feeling nothing's going right. Why don't you let me stop by? The clock is ticking, running out of time. So we should party all night. So cover your eyes, I have a surprise. I hope you got a healthy appetite. If you wanna dance, if you want it all, you know that I'm the girl that you should call. But when you're with me, I'll give you a taste to make it like your birthday every day. I know you like it sweet, so you can have your cake. Give you something good to celebrate. So make a wish, I'll make it like your birthday every day. I'll be your gift, give you something good to celebrate. Pop your confetti, pop your berry on, so hot and heavy till dawn. I got you spinning like a disco ball. I'll have it playing your song. We're living the life, we're doing it right. You're never gonna be unsatisfied. If you wanna dance, if you want it all, you know that I'm the girl that you should call. But when you're with me, I'll give you a taste to make it like your birthday every day.
Hi da! Happy birthday! So, talaga nga namang napakaganda na itong video na nagawa ko para sa'yo and I think we all know kung bakit. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces fast, and I'm homebound. Yun yung nagdala. Hindi. Kasi na-pressure talaga ako nung sinabi mo na mataas yung expectation mo. So, ayun, ang tagal kong nag-brainstorm, dami kong naisip na ideas, pero hindi ko na rin na-push lahat. Siguro, na-realize ko lang din na kung ano man kasi yung magpapasaya sa'yo, nasa akin lang din. Parang hidden talent ko lang talaga sa pagkanta. So, binigay ko na. Pero, kidding aside, happy birthday! So, talaga nga namang dalagang-dalaga ka na at in love na in love and I'm very happy for you. Ano pa bang mahihiling ko para sa'yo? Talaga nga namang nasa'yo naman na lahat. Sobrang masaya ka naman talaga sa buhay mo right now. And siguro ang masasabi ko na lang is thank you. Salamat. Salamat talaga kasi I couldn't even imagine kung gaano ka grabe yung stress, yung hirap, yung pagod at puyat na binibigay sa inyo ng kompre at ibibigay pa sa inyo ng OJT pag nag-start na yung sayo bukas. And ayun, siguro grabe lang na walang nagbago sa atin despite everything. If anything nga, parang feeling ko mas naging close pa tayo eh. Parang I feel more connected and closer to you than ever kasi parang pag may nangyayari sa akin, anything, parang masaya man, sobrang exciting man, o nakakalungkot, ikaw agad yung gusto kong takbuhan, ikaw yung gusto kong lapitan at kwentuhan. And the same thing din na kapag may kinakakiligan ako, ikaw din naman yung kumukonsinti sa akin. So, talagang masaya ako na nandyan ka and sana wala talagang magbago sa atin kahit gaano pa katagal yung lumipas. And sobrang na-touch din ako nung last week, sinabi mo sa akin na naloloka ka na kasi hindi mo alam kung ano yung gagawin mo para sa birthday ko. And you didn't really have to do anything, pero yun lang, just just that na sinabi mo sa akin na iniisip mo kung paano mo ako mapapasaya sa birthday ko, that's more than enough. Sobrang masaya na ako doon kasi naiisip mo ko and ayun, very happy ako. Pero talaga nga namang hindi ko tatanggihan yung buffet pag-uwi ko. At ayun, malapit na tayong magkita. Konting-konting tulog na lang po mga kapamilya. Hindi, pero hindi ko pa nakikita yung pool and yung stars na pinapahanap mo. Pero alam ko naman na talagang mag-enjoy tayo pag uwi ko dyan. And I'm looking forward to it talaga. I'm very proud of you. Sana alam mo yon, wag mong kakalimutan yon. Malapit ka nang maging CPA and I love you so much that I will always treat your success as my own. Ayun, kasi parang lahat tayo, sabay-sabay tayong nangarap noon and parang pag natupad niyo yung mga pangarap na yon, I'd also feel fulfilled. Kasi lahat tayo gusto nating mangyari yun and talagang super happy ako and super proud sa inyong lahat pag nangyari na yon. And alam ko malapit na. Ayun, I love you, Dada. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
How long will I love you? As long as stars are above you. And longer if I can. How long will I need you? As long as the seasons need to follow their plan. How long will I love you? How long will I love you? As long as stars are above you. How long will I love you? Longer if I can, longer if I can, longer if I can, longer if I can.